This is one of the most affordable high-quality on-camera monitors. It's the $145 Osee T5 Plus 5.5-inch monitor. It got 1000 nits brightness level, 4K HDMI input, works on Type-C power, Sony MPF batteries or Canon LPE6 batteries. Down there, you find a headphone jack and an SD card port to import LUTs and the presets. It's Omar, and today we got an interesting monitor on test. Let's get started. Now, as you see here, the T5 Plus got no buttons. Instead, it has a joystick thumb to navigate in the menu, which is a pretty easy solution, and I like it in this monitor. This monitor just weighs 174 grams, 6.1 ounces. And here I see the HDMI port is kinda secured inside. I like the idea. Now, speaking of the HDMI, Osee provides two HDMI cables with the monitor, micro and mini HDMI cable. Unfortunately, there is no full HDMI cable, so make sure to get one separately if needed. Now, the T5 Plus supports 4K video input and 1080 display. The monitor bracket features a hot-to-mount adapter if you like to mount any of the wireless transmitters, wireless microphones, or a small LED light, for example. And what's cool about the monitor is that the screen flips to the other side when you rotate it, which is a really cool feature. I love it in this monitor. See here? I hope that you can see it really quick. It flips. This is a really cool feature that should be available in every workflow. As I mentioned earlier, Osee T5 Plus monitor features 1000 nits screen brightness. Usually monitors from similar categories got about 500 nits or 400. And to make this visually easier for your understanding, my iPhone 13 Pro got as well 1000 nits brightness. Now, in harsh sunlight, it's highly recommended to use the monitor sunshade. Indeed, will provide a better preview for such a situation. Now, jumping to the menu, Osee offers 3 customized menus for different shoots. In each one, you can add and customize the settings and shortcuts you prefer. In addition, clicking the thumb button turns each settings on or off, and you can switch between setups using the joystick. 2x and 4x zoom gets in action when clicking the joystick button once, and you get a room to navigate here and there. The T5 Plus monitor offers numerous professional features in a simple layout, starting with an anamorphic preview setting, center mark, grid marker, safe area margins, indeed zebra, focus peaking, and audio levels. And we get features like force color, vector scope, waveform, histogram, and multi-scopes, where all scopes show on the screen at the same time. And in each settings, you get a room for customization. For example, in force color mode, you find about 16 types of color curves. At $145 price point, you get a lot out of this monitor. It's no doubt a great value for the money. That was my quick overview of Osee T5 Plus monitor. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope this video helped in making your decision. Show me a thumbs up if you found this very helpful, and bump that subscribe button for more camera reviews. This was Omar, and see you in another one.